Now that you have successfully installed WSDesk, let us take a look at how quickly you can start with WSDesk, WordPress Support Desk Plugin. If you look at a service help desk, then there are several ways to contact them. One of the prominent and quick way is through contact forms on the website. To do so, we need to have a form that lets the users interact. WSDesk lets you build fine forms to help users submit their queries easily. The form setting in WSDesk helps to design forms in a more effective way to help users submit their issues or queries. Let us take a look at how you can do the form settings and design. Go to WSDesk Form Settings. In here set the form width to say 100. Then fill out the form label set on the buttons for existing users or even guest users who visit the page. This setting will look like this on the form. Then enter the support form title, like for example Contact Support, and even make use of the shortcode on the WordPress page to set the page. Next, we have to set the fields that appear in the support page. For this, we go to Ticket Settings, Ticket Fields. Here you can add multiple columns and even edit and remove them. You can also add new fields by clicking on Add Field. By default, we require a form requesting email address, the subject, the description of the query. If you want to add more, you can click on Add Field. Choose what kind of field you require from the list. For example, if you want a radio button and the provide detail like do you agree to the terms and conditions. The radio button must be fed with answers and the default answer required. In here it is either yes or no, and the mandatory option is yes. Then once done, the field is in the inactive side. You can activate by clicking on the check sign. You can see that the field appears in the contact form. This is how a simple form is created, and it looks like this on the front end of your web page. The front end look of the form can be customized to match your theme using CSS, which can give your form page an elegant and compelling design. Let us see what happens when a user submits a query here. By default, you can submit the status of the ticket which are submitted via the contact form. For this, you need to ensure that you have entered ticket statuses in the ticket status setting. You can add status here by clicking Add Status and adding relevant desired value and then saving it. Upon submission of a query through the support contact form, the support email receives an email containing the query, which also appears in the ticket dashboard, which can be set to unsolved in the settings. When the tickets are unsolved status, the supervisor looks into it and then assign it to the agent. The support personnel can either respond through mail or even through the ticket dashboard. This email piping is an interesting feature of WSDesk, and this can be easily set up here. Take a look at this article wherein there is a clear description on how to set up email piping using IMAP or Google OAuth. For more information, please find the link in the description. In both ways, the user who raised the issue receives an email response, which was templated in the settings, and the response is recorded as a conversation in the ticket dashboard. You can create several templates for an email from the ticket dashboard and fill in the desired data using specific codes and save them for later use. This is how WSDesk comes handy in serving and keeping track of the customer queries from the support page. Now, let us see how can WSDesk agents work on the queries submitted via emails. In the case of WSDesk, a ticket view in the dashboard can be customized concerning custom needs. To keep track of queries coming through mails, the WSDesk can set the ticket view concerning the email as the source field. Suppose a customer sample tuser4@gmail.com sends a request via their email, the ticket will appear on the dashboard. Now if we set the view as set the ticket view where the source is email, then WSDesk pulls out only those tickets where the source is email. An agent can respond in the ticket dashboard as well via their email. These conversations are emailed to the ticket raiser as well as the ticket dashboard. In this way, both the user and the agent are on the same page with the query. Now the next stage is how an agent can be notified when the ticket is raised and assigned to the agent. WSDesk also serves the purpose of using effective triggers and automation that will help to auto-assign the tickets when arrived. You can easily create a trigger that helps in auto-assigning the ticket once the query is raised. Beforehand, we need to create ticket tags for easy reference. It can be done in the ticket settings ticket tags. You can add multiple tags here. Let us see how to create a simple trigger for agent notification. Suppose you want to set the condition like if the subject contains the word shipping plugin and the second condition as if the ticket tag is also shipping. Then a trigger action has to be executed like email to theagentsample.tuser12@gmail.com, which is agent who is dedicated to solving shipping plugin related issues. You can also customize the email as per the need. Remember that the ticket tag needs to be set before using in the conditions. Once the trigger is activated, you can see that upon a request submitted from the support page, the agent receives the email notification. Any kind of action upon the ticket, the agent and the user gets respective emails. If you require extensive setting up or extended services, we at Extensions are here for you. Contact us for further assistance for a full-fledged customer support help desk from scratch. For more information, please follow the link below. Also, don't forget to check out the complete setting up video for WSDesk WordPress Help Desk Plugin. Also, if you want to enable SMS notifications, for quick references, then we have the WSDesk SMS notification plugins to help with it. If you want website owners to get paid for the premium consulting and help desk services they provide, make use of the Pay for Support add-on. Overall, with WSDesk, it is easy to manage your customer queries from whatsoever sources without much hassle. To improve the overall response rate, make use of this efficient plugin to quicken the process and shorten the wait time. Thank you for watching. For more interesting plugins, please visit www.lextensions.com. Read more about our interesting plugins here. Please feel free to subscribe to our channels.